Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Mr. Couponer with a 5 off 25 for Dollar General for Saturday. For this Saturday is when they normally release the 5 off 25 coupons. All right, so first item. First, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Please like, comment, and share the video. All right, so the Tide Pods of 1216 is on sale this week for $4.95. There's a $2 off coupon for that item, or you can grab the liquid, the 19 to 25 load. Also, there's a BOGO coupon for the Kleenex, the 24 count, the wet or the germ wipe away or something like that. I can't think of the exact name. There's a coupon for $2 off coupon for that one. The Tide Simply 13 count, a 50 cents coupon for that one. Also, there's $1 off of the Scrubbing Bubbles or 2 SC Johnson products. Make sure you clip the dollar off for that one. Also, make sure you clip the 5 off 25 once they upload it, which is normally about Friday. There's a 50 cents off of the Mr. Clean if you don't plan on doing the game scenario, or if you just want to use the 50 cents to get a Mr. Clean product. There is $2 off of the Downy Liquid. There's also $2 off of the Swiffer Starter Kit. That would bring your subtotal to $27.90. Once all coupons, including the 5 off 25, this is the breakdown of what your total would be. Once everything comes off, your subtotal will be $12.90, savings of $15, total of 9 items. I have 7, but here's 1, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 items, plus 1 free, which is, again, you're getting the Kleenex free because you got the BOGO coupon. So that will make each item under $1.40, $1.42 for each item. Again, the savings for this scenario will be $15. Also, if you have more than one account, what I normally do when I come up with a scenario, because it's kind of hard to keep up which account got which coupons or whatever, I normally will write an abbreviation of the phone number on that scenario sheet, so that way I know which account to use when I go to the register, because there's been times where I had the account mixed up, or I didn't write it down, and then I get to the register and I forget which account that I use, or I make a mistake and use the wrong account, and all the coupons and no coupons come off. So that's what I normally do. I write some kind of, what if it's the last 4 numbers, whatever is unique to your situation as far as what will make you memorize that phone number when you look down at the sheet. That's what I write down on there. So again, this is the scenario for the 5 off 25 for Dollar General for this Saturday. Thank y'all again for watching.